Sweet Costa Rica here, coming to you from Anchorage. While internet surfing, I viewed a video on the 1911, and it was really good to hear someone talking about how the 1911 made them happy. So here's my viewpoint on why the Glock makes me happy, puts a big smile on my face, and is one of the best all-around pistol designs in the world. With the same trigger pull and ergonomics, Glocks have economy of training. Like this Glock 23 compared with this Glock 26, or this Glock 42. The trigger pull is the same and the overall functions of the guns are the same, saving you a lot of time in training. Back to 1911s, they are a great collector's piece, so I hope I'm not offending anyone who loves this old warhorse. But unfortunately, they're heavy and they're large. When I was in the Navy, I always knew I was wearing a 1911. 1911s are expensive, both the gun and the parts. And lastly, 1911s are not as reliable as today's modern polymer pistols. Recently, I got a chance to go out into the woods to do some shooting practice and to test the smaller Glocks. I think these guys are blocking my exit. They don't want me to leave. As you see, the Glock 43 is very accurate. Tight groups, perfect for CCW. Recoil is fine, actually, I find, with this, using standard pressure ammunition. Great use of polymer, low bore axis, and double recoil rods helps the Glock overcome the compromises you make with smaller and lighter pistols. For self-defense ammo, I recommend buying what's on sale. As long as you buy a brand name, you should be fine. holsters, I recommend two types. This hybrid style made by Old Faithful. These are extremely comfortable. And Old Faithful is such a good company that this one was taking so long to produce and make to send to my house. They sent me for free this one because it was already made, I guess, and they sent it 2 weeks ahead of this one for free. That is amazing. By the way, these holsters are for my Glock 26. For my Glock 43, I bought a Stealth Gear holster. This is more expensive, but it's an incredible holster, designed to last, and is also extremely comfortable. The other type of holster is like a small clip-on holster. This one is made by Multi-Holsters. And as you can see, this one is for my Glock 42. I also have one for the Glock 43. Other accessories that I recommend are extra magazines. With these, I've modified them and put extra +1 and +2 floor plates on them. These are from Terran Tactical and are for the Glock 42. It's the only gun that I have modified in this way. The next and most important modification that you can do to your gun is to add night sights. Night sights are important because most shootings happen at night or in low light conditions. These sights are XS sight systems. They are big dot sights with tritium inserts. Highly recommend it. If someone came to me and asked, why should I want a Glock? I would show them these photos. Life is sweet. But there are people out there who want to steal from you, hurt you, and even kill you. So we have to protect ourselves. XDs are nice, and Smith & Wessons are good too. But the Glock is the best all-round pistol made. For concealed carry, it's the Glock for me. It makes me happy and safe.